Hi everybody, this is a Mini Cooper, a Countryman diesel 2 litre. We have a problem with the transfer box. As you can see, this is an all 4 model. So this is a noise that's been worrying me. Obviously when the engine's under strain or accelerating, the noise is loud, as you can hear. Brand new transfer box for the Mini. Let's see how we get on. So we got the Mini on the ramp, and we're going to start the job soon. Run you through what's entailed. I did check on eBay for second hand or reconditioned. Prices varied from £1,500 up to over £2,000. So I went for the new one from BMW. Trade price £1,700 plus the VAT. So no contest for me.
Yeah, 1, 2. Why is there only 3?
Yeah.
I can't be arsed with the hassle on some of them now.
So transfer box is in. Slowly getting it back together. Here's the old transfer box. Looks like plenty of gunk and rubbish is going to be inside, and we're going to take a look. Well, that's the oil filler bolt, and looking inside there, that looks pretty shitty. So we got the transfer box apart. As you can see, there's quite a bit of rubbish, bits of swarf, bits of metal, and also something's tight somewhere. Just trying to show you inside. I think we can see broken teeth down there on that gear. Anyway, well, I think that's the end of the problem. We'll see.